Albert Reddit discussions usually focus on a few main areas: the EAP's cash advance features, banking tools, subscription experience, and how users feel about customer support. By the end, you'll know the common positives and complaints people mention about Albert, what to check before using the app, and how to compare online reviews with your own needs. Section 1. What users like about Albert. Many people discuss Albert because it combines financial tools in one app. Users often mention features related to managing money, tracking finances, and getting access to available services through the platform. Positive reviews usually focus on convenience. People who like the app often value having money management tools available in one place, instead of using separate apps for different tasks. If you are considering Albert, review the features available for your account and understand how each service works before depending on it for your finances. Section 2. Common complaints in Reddit discussions. Negative discussions about financial apps often involve account questions, subscription concerns, feature availability, and support experiences. A complaint from one user does not mean every customer will have the same experience. Financial app experiences can change depending on account information, eligibility, linked accounts, and how the service is used. Before signing up, check how Albert's services work, what charges may apply, and how any advance or account-related features fit into your budget. Section 3. How to read Albert reviews correctly. Online reviews are useful for finding repeated patterns, but they should be compared with official information from Albert. Official information from Albert. A single review shows one person's experience, while repeated comments about the same issue may show a broader trend. Pay attention to specific details in reviews. A comment explaining the exact feature, problem, and outcome is usually more useful than a general statement saying an app is good or bad. The main points are simple. Albert reviews include both positive and negative experiences. Individual results can vary based on account details, and understanding the EAP app's features before using it helps avoid surprises. Your next step is to check Albert's current features and terms, then compare them with the experiences people share in recent reviews before deciding if the app matches your needs. If this guide helped you understand Albert Reddit reviews, like the video and subscribe for more app review guides.